Welcome to Daily IQ. Today 15th July 2024. In this video, we will teach you Top 10 Current Affairs MCQ with detailed explanation. Question number 1. World Youth Skills Day is observed every year on. Answer is 15th July. World Youth Skills Day is celebrated on 15th July every year to expand awareness on the importance of investing in youth skills development. The theme for World Youth Skills Day 2024 is Youth Skills for Peace and Development. In 2014, the United Nations General Assembly declared 15th July as World Youth Skills Day to celebrate the strategic importance of equipping young people with skills for employment, decent work and entrepreneurship. Question number 2. What is India's overall score at the SDG India Index 2023-24? Answer is India scores 71. As per the Niti Aayog's SDG India Index 2023-24, India's overall Sustainable Development Goal SDG score has improved to 71 in 2023-24 from 66 in 2020-21. Uttarakhand and Kerala emerged as top-performing states with a score of 79 on this index. It is followed by Tamil Nadu with a score of 78 and Goa comes next with a score of 77. Bihar with score 1957, Jharkhand with score 62 and Nagaland with score 63 were the worst performing states in this year's index. Question number 3. Which state government has approved the IT Saksham Yuva scheme? Answer is Haryana. The Haryana Cabinet has approved the launch of the IT Saksham Yuva Scheme 2024, targeting the provision of jobs to 5,000 youths in the first phase. This initiative aligns with the Mission 60,000 from the 2024-25 budget, aiming to employ 60,000 young individuals from poor families. Under the scheme, graduates or postgraduates from IT backgrounds will undergo specially designed short-term courses for a minimum of 3 months. Question number 4. Which state's Vizhinjam port scripted history to arrive of first container ship, San Fernando? Answer is Kerala. In Kerala, the Vizhinjam International Port in Thiruvananthapuram scripted history with the arrival of first container ship, San Fernando. San Fernando, which set sail from Xiamen Port in China, arrived at Vizhinjam International Seaport on 11th July and was greeted with a water salute by 4 tugs. This 300-meter-long cargo ship has offloaded 1,900 containers on 12th July. Question number 5. Which state's community-managed natural farming has been awarded the Gulbenkian Prize for Humanity 2024? Answer is Andhra Pradesh. The Andhra Pradesh Community-Managed Natural Farming APCNF program, led by the government of Andhra Pradesh, has been awarded the prestigious Gulbenkian Prize for Humanity 2024. The announcement was made by Dr. Angela Merkel, chair of the jury and former Federal Chancellor of Germany, during a ceremony in Lisbon, Portugal on 11th July. Question number 6. Who became fastest Indian to conquer the Mount Kinabalu? Answer is Nitish Singh. Nitish Singh, a native of Uttar Pradesh, achieved a remarkable feat by conquering Mount Kinabalu in Malaysia on 9th July. He has become the first Indian to climb the peak at the fastest speed in 19 hours and proudly hoisted the Indian tricolour at the summit. Mount Kinabalu, located in the Malaysian state of Sabah, is the highest peak in Southeast Asia. Question number 7. Recently, who has been selected for the Hans von Hentig Award? Answer is K. Chokkalingam. In a significant recognition of his contributions to the field of victimology, retired Professor K. Chokkalingam from Tamil Nadu has been selected for the esteemed Hans von Hentig Award. This honor highlights the global impact of Indian scholarship in the study of crime victims and their experiences within the criminal justice system. The Hans von Hentig Award is named after the renowned German criminologist Hans von Hentig. Question number 8. Who became the owner of the Kolkata Royal Tigers racing team? Answer is Sourav Ganguly. Indian Racing Festival, a premier motorsport event in India, gearing up for its third season, with Sourav Ganguly, the former captain of the Indian cricket team, becoming the owner of the Kolkata Royal Tigers racing team. The festival, organized by Racing Promotions Private Limited, where 8 city-based teams, Kolkata, Hyderabad, Bangalore, Chennai, Delhi, Goa, Kochi and Ahmedabad, will compete from August to November 2024. Question number 9. Recently, India and Russia agreed to increase bilateral trade to $100 billion by which year? Answer is 2030. India and Russia agreed to increase bilateral trade to $100 billion by 2030 and use national currencies to bypass Western sanctions. This decision was announced during the 22nd Annual Bilateral Summit held in Moscow between Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Russian President Vladimir Putin. The two countries plan to enhance cooperation in various sectors, including energy, agriculture, infrastructure, and the digital economy. Question number 10. Which day was declared as Samvidhan Hatya Divas by the central government? Answer is 25th June. The Government of India announced on 12 July 2024 that 25th June would be observed annually as Samvidhan Hatya Divas or Constitution Murder Day. On 25th June 1975, the then Indira Gandhi Congress government imposed a national emergency in the country under Article 352 of the Constitution, which lasted 21 months. The emergency was declared by President Fakhruddin Ali Ahmad on 25 June 1975 and was revoked on 21 March 1977. Thanks for watching full video. You can join in our membership plan for daily, weekly and monthly current affairs PDFs. Please contact me on WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is 9700200378.